Getting a loan from Opay is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To start, you need to download and install the Opay app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, create an account by providing the required information such as your name, phone number, and email address. Next, you need to verify your account by providing a valid means of identification, such as a national ID card or driver's license. This is a mandatory step to ensure that you are eligible for a loan. After verifying your account, you can proceed to apply for a loan by clicking on the loan option in the app. You will be required to provide some additional information, such as your income level and employment status. This information is used to determine your creditworthiness and the amount of loan you are eligible for. Once you have provided the required information, you can submit your loan application. The loan application will be reviewed and approved within a few minutes. If your application is approved, the loan amount will be disbursed into your Opay wallet. You can then use the funds to pay for various services such as airtime, data, and utility bills. To repay the loan, you can use the Opay app to make payments. You can also set up a repayment plan to ensure that you repay the loan on time. It is essential to repay the loan on time to avoid late payment fees and to maintain a good credit score. In conclusion, getting a loan from Opay is a simple and convenient process. By following the steps outlined above, you can access funds to meet your financial needs. Remember to always repay your loans on time to avoid any penalties and to maintain a good credit score. Opay offers competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms, making it a great option for individuals who need quick access to funds.